take you over, you just can't breathe.
Today we're doing a fun little fall look. This look can be worn day or night or for any event really. And so just to get started, make sure you prime that eyelid as per usual and take a nice burnt orange shade on a fluffy brush and begin to blend that into your crease. This look was super duper quick for me and it took me about 5 minutes to complete on both eyes. Make sure that whatever shade you're using, you make sure that's even on both eyelids so that you're not lopsided. Now taking a little strip of washi tape and a packing brush with some black shadow on it, I created my liner look. Now you can make your liner as thick or as thin as you want to. Mine turned out a little thicker than I intended because, my eye kind of freaked out there for a moment and made some wrinkles in it. But that's alright, I think the look still turned out very nice anyway. And it's not as big of a deal because this isn't a harsh line, this is more of a softer liner, and this is something that anyone can really pull off, so anybody of any skill level can create this beautiful look. Once you're ready, go ahead and pull off that washi tape, and now you have a lovely sharp line. And taking that same burnt orange shade, I begin to blend that